Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking the basics, one clear buyer persona and one primary channel. Explain why. Clarity focuses messaging and saves budget. Once done, set a measurable goal like leads per day or cost per lead so you can optimize. Now take the first actionable step. Create a simple lead magnet, checklist or short video, and a single landing page. Make sure to include a clear headline, one form field or 3 max, and a focused CTA so you start collecting contacts immediately. Once leads start coming, you move into execution and optimization. You should run one targeted ad or organic campaign aimed at that persona, then a /B test headline, CTA, and form length to find what converts. Track 3 core metrics: cost per lead, conversion rate, and lead quality. Make sure to set up an automated welcome sequence that delivers the promised magnet and adds value over 3 messages. This builds trust quickly and filters warm leads for next steps. To finish, implement a simple qualification step, score leads or add a 2-question survey so you prioritize outreach. You should hand off hot leads to sales within 24 to 48 hours to keep momentum. Once deals begin, iterate on the funnel, refine copy, adjust targeting, and scale budgets that perform. If conversions drop, troubleshoot by checking traffic quality, landing page relevance, and messaging match. Small mismatches usually cause big drops, so fix those first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.